last part. We have last time only. Now after 1 week exam is there, na? You see integration, how many question comes each year? Just turn on the pages. You just see where the integration chapter. Just turn on the which one second. But integration you guys have studied. See each year 5 questions, 6 questions. But to understand, you should have idea about integration that you must have taught in class 11th and 12th. If you have taught, then only you will understand. I will discuss very few things about integration, which is the important one, okay? But let's start sequence and series. Arithmetic progression, you guys know. Arithmetic AP. AP, you know what will be AP sequence. AP is not there in now. In 12th it is not there. So, but tell me the sequence. What will be the sequence? A. And it will keep going. For example, if I am writing this 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and all. Is this is AP sequence? How did you know this is AP sequence? Common difference is there. Any common difference is 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. Similarly, we have GP sequence. What is GP? Here terms will be in the ratio of A, AR, AR square. There will be common ratio. Ratio between the second term to the first term will be constant to the third term to the second term. So the format will be like this. This is the GP sequence. GP sequence you all know. Tell me about this. 1, 4, 16, 64. Is this a GP or AP? Why it is a GP? Because 4 by 1, how to find GP? Divide this number to this previous number. 4 by 1 is 4. Now divide 16 to 4. 16 by 4 is 4. Divide 64 to 16. What will be value? It will be again 4. So a common ratio is there. Ratio between two consecutive terms are always constant. So that is called GP term. How to represent GP term? GP term, first term always represented by A. Second term will be A into common ratio. Third term will be A into common ratio square, and it is keep going. Okay. So I'll just change it. So GP sequence, very few things you have to know. So terms will be written into this form. You guys turn off this AC, huh? You guys have turned off the AC. You guys have turned on now, no? Oh, that is why it is hot. What is not working? That AC is not working. Okay, no worry. Here in GP, first term is represented by A, second term is AR, third term is AR square, fourth term is AR cube. So in general, they will ask you what is the nth term of in a GP. There will be a sequence. They will ask you what is the nth term in the CP. What is the formula? See, if it is second term, A into R to the power 1. If it is third term, A into R to the power 3 minus 1. If it is fourth term, this is cube. It is fifth term, this is 1 less. So what will be nth term? A will be always there into, and you just see this few formulas, R to the power n minus 1. This is the formula of general term. What is the general form formula? You can see this, no? Second term, A2 is AR to the power 1. A3 is AR square. A is always present. So in every term, A will be present. And the terms of R, the values of R will be, if this is n, this will be n minus 1. So this is general term formula. Of a GP. Means if you know the general term formula, you can find any term. And they will ask you the first question, what is the sixth term, seventh term and all. Second, they will ask you what is the second formula. Second formula they will ask you is what is the sum of n terms. Let's say 5 terms are there, what will be their sum of GP. So what is the formula of sum of n terms? Any idea? It is nothing but a into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. This is sum of n terms in a GP. And third last formula is sum of infinite terms. Now the next they will ask. So sum of infinite terms is nothing but a divided by 1 minus r. This is the only 3 formula you have. After this there are few more formulas. This is called sum of infinite terms. Now remember, sum of infinite term form is valid only when r is less than 1. If the ratio r is common ratio is less than 1, then only it is valid. Sum of infinite terms means if you are adding infinite terms, then what will be their sum? Remember, for r is equal to 1 or r is equal to greater than 1, sum of infinite terms will always be infinity. I'll explain through the examples. These are the formulas of mainly GP, then a few more formulas, it will be over. Now give me where's the book? Remember every one more thing, in GP whenever you have to solve, you need only 2 things. Always figure out what are the 2 things. First thing is A and second thing is R. Always try to find these 2 values. What is the A? A is nothing but your first term and R is nothing but your common ratio. If you know these 2 values, you can find everything. You can find another term, see A is and R is present. You can find sum of infinite terms, A and R is only present. N value will be given in the question. Sum of infinite terms also only A and R is present. So always you have to find these 2 values only. In every question, try to find these 2 values. Now should I see the question number 1? 8.2, page number 8.2. It is given infinite GP sequence. First term is given A and second common ratio is given R. Sum of infinite terms is given 4 and second term is given 3 by 4. Then what is the value of A and R? If you notice one thing, there is an infinite sequence GP given. Infinite sequence GP means always remember R will be less than 1. Infinite R is less than 1. I have to find first term and last term, first term and common ratio, A and R value we have to find. And based on that, this is the two information given. What is first information? Sum of infinite terms is given 4 and second term is given 3 by 4. Sum of infinite term formula is what? Sum of infinite term formula is A divided by 1 minus R. So can you say A divided by 1 minus R is given 4. Simplified. So can you say A will be equal to 4 minus 4R. So A plus 4R will be equal to 4. And here it is given second term is 3 by 4. What is the first term? First term of GP is always A. Second term is AR. A into R. Third term is AR square. Fourth term is AR cube. And nth term is AR to the power n minus 1. So this is given second term. So can I say second term is nothing but AR value is given 3 by 4. Now two equations, two unknowns you have to solve. One method you solve it. Another method, if you solve it will take few times. The best way, just after this, just check the option. Go with the option. And when you go with the option, try to go with from the fourth option, third option, three option, second option. Now start putting the values, because from this I will get the value of, if I solve 1 and 2, what I will get? A and R. So you just check with options, put the options value, check which condition is getting satisfied. Put option number 4, A into R, 3 into 1 by 4, 3 by 4, put it here also. Put A is equal to 3 and R is equal to 1, 4 plus 1 by 4, so which is 4. So can I say both are satisfying? What about option number 1? Check. Option number 1, put it 2 into 3 by 8. So if you notice, it is coming 3 by 4. Equation number 2 is getting satisfied. But if you put in equation number 1, it will not satisfy. So 2 plus 4 times 3 by 8. So this will not be equal to 4. Rather this will be equal to 2 plus 7 by 2. 3.5. Yes or no? Is that understood? So you solve. At the end, for such question, directly put the formula, the options and check. And always go with option 4, 3, 2 and like this. Now question number 2. Again from here chances are there one question may come. Generally it comes one question, and this is very easy formula. So with very less hard work you can easily solve one question. Question number 2, try it. Huh? What is second question given? Second term of a GP is given what? 24. Fifth term of a GP is given what? 3. Okay. What is the question given? Sum of first 6 terms, means S6 we have to. What is the formula of sum of n terms in a GP? A into 1 minus r to the power n divided by 1 minus r. So S6 is going to be what? A into 1 minus r to the power 6 divided by 1 minus r. So obviously I need A and I need R. To find this is given. What is A2? Second term formula AR. Can I say AR is given 24. And what is A5? AR4. And that is given 3. With the help of this two I have to find A and R. Whenever two terms are given, just divide this two terms. Let's say this is 1 and this is 2. Whenever you have to find A and R, just divide these two terms, 1 and 2, divide 1 by 2. If you divide 1 by 2, this will be AR divided by AR4 and that will be equal to 24 by 3. A get cancelled, 1 by RQ will equal to 8, 8 ja, RQ will be equal to 1 by 8. So what is R? 1 by 2. Can I say I got R? Now you have to find A. Put R value any one of the equations. So let's say from equation number 1, A into 1 by 2 will be equal to 24. So what is A? A will be 48. Yes or no? I got A, I got R. Now put the value. So A is 48. R is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 to the power 6 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. 2 to the power 6 is 64. So this is 1 by 64. So 48. 1 minus 1 by 64, denominator will be 1 by 2. 2 will go 96 into 64 minus 1, 63 divided by 64. 16 4 ja, 16 6 ja, 3, 2. I think 8, 198, 189 divided by 2 is the answer. So see, always A and R I have to find. In GP always A and R, 3 formulas, just remember. See question number 3. Question number 3. No formula, you have to use logic. Is it done this? See question number 3, what read the question. It is in writing, huh? Question number 3, what is given? Third term. Third term is given 9. What is third term formula? AR square is given 9. Okay. What is the question? Product of first 5 terms. So product of 5 first means A1 into second term into third term into fourth term into fifth term. This product we have to find out. What is A? A is equal to A1 is equal to first term is A, second term is AR, third term is, fourth term is, and fifth term is. Yes or no? Now A is how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So can I say the product will be A to the power 5? And how many R? R this. So basically R to the power 1 into R square into R cube into R4. So power will get added, yes or no? So the product will be A5 into R to the power 10. But I have to given this value. From this value, how I can find this value? So A into R square is given. So if I notice, I will try to convert this into that form. So A to the power 5, can I say here R square is given, so I can write R is equal to R square to the power 5. Because there R square is given, yes or no? Now, we know the third indices property, A to the power into M to A to the power N can be written as, let's say B, AB to the power M. If the power is same, it can come out. So from there, since the power is same, so this can also be written as AR square to the power 5. And we have given the AR square, which is 9. So can I say this value will be directly 9 to the power 5. But answer is not given. So what is the answer? A 9 can also be written as 3 square. No, answer is given in terms of 3. So 3 square to the power 5. 3 square, 2 into 5 now, 3 to the power 10. See question number 4. Is that understood? Easy questions. Solve it, solve it. Sir taught binomial theorem. Huh? Okay, answer. No. Has sir taught binomial theorem? Okay. From there, again, this is important from 11th point of view. Question number 4. It is given, okay, this is GP sequence where third term upon first term ratio is given 25, and you have been told to find ninth term divided by fifth term. What is the ninth term formula? A into r to the power 8, and fifth term formula A into r4. A get cancelled, so this will be r to the power 8 minus 4, so r to the power 4. I need to find the value of r. Here it is given A3 can be written as AR square, A1 is A, that is given 25. So can you say r square is value 25? R square is 24, so R4 can be written as R square square. R square is 25, so 25 whole square. Answer is given in terms of 5. So 5 can be written as 5, 25 can be written as 5 square. This is 5 to the power 4. Understood? 5 you leave, do question number 6. That comes AP. Even AP may come, AP can come in the exam because very basic sequence. So don't expect AP cannot come. Second one, answer is correct. What is given is 6th. Again GP sequence, and it is given A is the first term and R is the common ratio. You have to find the ratio of sum of n terms divided by sum of 2 n terms. What is the formula of sum of n terms? A into 1 minus R to the power 1 minus R to the power n divided by 1 minus R. And what will be this? A into, here 2n terms are there, so 1 minus R to the power 2n divided by 1 minus R. As you can see, if you cross multiply, this will get cancelled, this will get cancelled. So what will be left? 1 minus Rn divided by 1 minus R to the power 2n. Can I write like this? I can write 1, I can write 1 square also. So now you see A square minus B square formula. So A square minus B square formula can be A minus B, A plus B. Now you see this will get cancelled. So what will be left? 1 by 1 plus R to the power Now self test, go to self test. Solve the question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 1 is you can solve. See, this is simple. Just to show you, the general term formula, nth term formula is given like this: minus 1 to the power n minus 1 n cube. This is the nth term formula. What they have asked? Ninth term means n will be 9. So this is going to be minus 1 to the power 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 to the power 3. So this will be plus 1. Yes or no? And this is, I can write 9 to the power 3. 9 to the power 3 is 720. Yes or no? So easy, very easy chapter. Should I? Now there are two things you need to know for question number 7. Arithmetic mean of two numbers. Let's say arithmetic mean of two numbers. AM बोले तो AM is arithmetic mean. What is the arithmetic mean of two numbers? Is nothing but a plus b by 2. Okay. And geometric mean of two numbers ab is equal to root of ab. That you all know. That you all know. Arithmetic mean of two numbers, geometric mean of two numbers. There is one more thing. There is a quadratic equation. Let's say, how to write quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. How many roots it will have? Quadratic equation 2 degree 2 roots. Let the root is alpha and beta. If you know the roots, you can form the quadratic equation. If the alpha and beta are the roots, what is the quadratic equation? If I am saying alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, then what will be equation? So equation is nothing but x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to 0. And you must have studied the same thing. If you are going to multiply, this is the form version you must have studied. X square minus sum of root times plus product of the root equal to. Have you studied this? What is this? If you know the roots of a quadratic equation, the equation of quadratic equation will be x square minus sum of roots. This is called sum of root times x into product of roots. Now I am asking, what is the arithmetic mean of roots alpha beta? Let's say a is the arithmetic mean of alpha beta. So can you say a will be alpha plus beta is by 2. So what is alpha plus beta? 2a. Sum of roots can be 2a. If I am saying what is the geometric mean of roots alpha beta? So let's say if it is g, so square root of alpha beta. So can you say alpha beta will be nothing but g square? Can you understand this? Now the same thing can I write in terms of arithmetic mean and geometric mean? X square minus alpha plus beta can be written as 2 times of arithmetic mean times x plus geometric mean whole square. So remember this. If alpha beta roots are given, so this is the equation of quadratic equation. If the arithmetic mean and geometric mean of alpha and beta is given, roots given, so this is the equation. What is a and g? A and G, A is the arithmetic mean of root alpha beta and G is the geometric mean of root alpha beta. So if arithmetic mean of root and geometric mean of root given, so this is the equation. If roots are given, then this is the equation. Now see the question number 6. So question number 7. Last year question only. You may it may be come this year also. You never know. But this is quite good question. Good concept. What is given? Arithmetic mean of roots are given 5 and geometric mean of roots are given 4. So what is the equation? So if roots, arithmetic mean and geometric mean of roots given, so we will use that equation. What will be equation? X square minus 2 times arithmetic means of x roots plus geometric mean whole square. So this will be x square minus 10x plus 16 equal to 0. Which option? Option number 4. Yes or no? So that you remember. So this is all about your sequence and series, only geometric mean. Now come to integrals, basic integrals we will do now, because integrals is important. If you want to skip, but I will tell you to go through integrals. 80 questions are there. 93. So solve all the questions, try to solve. If you cannot solve, at least solve from 2018 to 24. Then you will have idea, basic idea. Every year 4 to 5 questions will come for sure. So if you are going last 7-year questions also, no, so I am guaranteeing you out of 5 questions you can solve 2-3 questions easily. Same concept will be there. We'll see. I'll see how much you guys can solve. Based on this only I'll teach. You guys have studied in class 11, 12 integrals or left, well left. Array.
Not much question for integrals. We can skip it. We can solve 3D and vectors for both.
But now see,
Now it's there.
I'll give few basic idea. Integrals I'll try to, let's say how much you guys are getting. If you not get, then I will leave this topic, because lot of formulas are there. First you guys tell me what is the integration of x to the power n dx. So remember few formulas I'll just write. If you see the pattern, that question you may attempt, otherwise you just leave it, okay. It will be x to the power n plus 1 divided by plus c, okay. If it is written integration of sin x dx, what is the integration of sin x dx? Minus cos x plus c. Integration of cos x dx, sin x plus c, okay. Now again I will asking here, what is the integration of ax plus b to the power whole n dx? Remember, integration of x to the power n is this. X is replaced by ax plus b. Linear, here x is linear, here also x is linear. So in this case the formula will be same, ax plus b to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, but remember always, whatever multiplied with x, what is the multiplied with x? A, it will be divided at the end. Plus c is complementary. C means constant, arbitrary constant. We have to put every time. Similarly, if I am writing what is the integration of sin ax plus b? So what is the integration of sin x? minus, so I will write minus of cos ax plus b, but with x what is multiplied? A, so I will divide with a. Next, what is the integration of cos x, cos ax plus b? Now tell me. Integration of cos was sine, so sine ax plus b divided by, this is understood? One important formula, integration of sec square x is tan x plus c. Integration of sec x tan x is equal to, this formulas you must remember, is equal to sec x plus c. I'll just write few formulas. That formulas, if it is coming, okay, otherwise leave it. If you guys can practice, if you have time, then okay, very good. But just go with 5-year questions. Let's see and hope for the best. What is integration of 1 by x dx? Log x plus c. Integration of 1 by x dx is same as integration of x to the power minus 1 dx. It's okay, okay. I know a few important calls are coming. Done. See the question number 1, 2006, 21.5. Don't get scared. Now you see. Huh? Don't get scared by looking the question. If you notice the numerator, what is the numerator given? X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. This is nothing but the formula of x plus 1 whole cube. What is the formula of x plus 1 whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Yes or no? Yes or no? Are you seeing it? So first question is given like this: x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Integration, the biggest problem is that the student gets intimidated by looking the question. Who will do this? But if you notice, this is nothing but the formula of x plus 1 whole cube, and there it is given x plus 1 whole 5. Now 3, this is 5. So can you say this will be nothing but 1 by x plus 1 to the whole 2 dx, which is basically x plus 1 to the power minus 2 dx. And this is same as formula I told you, x to the power n dx is what? X to the power n plus 1 divided by, and what is the formula of ax plus b whole to the power n dx? Again the same thing. So see, this is ax plus b format. So what is the answer for this? X plus 1 to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Always check what is the coefficient of x? 1. No need to divide. Plus c. Now what is the value of this? X plus 1 to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus c. So it is coming minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. Yes or no? So option number 1. Is that understood? Now see the question number 8. For that you must know trigo formula. Sir taught trigonometry for you. Any doubt here? Always simplification is needed. Whenever big things are given, you have to simplify it. I am just telling you the basic things to boost your confidence in integration. If you feel, then okay, otherwise what is the formula of 1 plus cos 2x? 1 plus cos 2x, 2 cos square x. Yes or no? This is the formula, na? Integration of 1 plus cos 2x trigonometry formula. What about 1 minus cos 2x? It will be 2 sin square x. But these two are very important formulas. In the question, what is the integration they are asked? They have asked, what is the integration of 1 plus cos 8x? What happened?
We have the same center for C.
Oh, you guys got the center. Now in this you are discussing center. Huh? First you tell me the answer, then you discuss center. You all four have the same center. Different centers. And the same roll number also almost same. One difference. Then you study half, you study half. Then share and that I know, I'm just kidding. But the question paper number will be jumbled, na? Questions will be same, the question will be jumbled. So that you guys are that smart. Yes, is sin 2x answer, sin 2x answer. There will be one question which is sin 2x. See, this is the question. See. Basic integration. Whenever integration, denominator will always create a problem in integration. So you want my denominator, somehow it should go. And for this, you see, this is something 1 plus cos x formula. If somewhere you will see 1 plus cos x, you always remember this formula. What is this written? 1 plus, if one formula says, if 1 plus cos 2x is equal to what? What is 1 plus cos 2x? 2 cos. 1 plus cos 2x is what? 2. If this is 2x, so this is just half. Yes or no? If this is 2, this is 1. So what will be formula if 1 plus cos 8x? So can you say this will be 2 cos square? If this is 2, this is half. So if this is 8x, this will be just half. So 4x. So 1 plus cos 8x formula is 2 cos square 4x. Now put the value. So can you say this will be 1 upon 2 cos square 4x. Now since 2 is constant, it will go out, and 1 by cos is nothing but sec. So sec square 4x dx. And what is the integration of sec square x? Tan x. Yes or no? But here with x, what is multiplied? 4. So can I say this overall it is going to be 1 by 2 integration of sec square x is tan x. But since with x 4 is multiplied, this 4 will be divided. So what is the answer? 1 by 8 tan. Is that understood? So see, by the denominator formulas you can solve. Questions will be easy also. Okay, should I go for next question? What happened? Time is done. Then my time is done. Why? Let's say this. Yeah, anyways, this week only, no? After that, you'll be free. Then take a chill pill. Then, sir will say morning to evening, my time is done. When your parent says, no, my time is done. Here you go. Let me sleep. don't just trouble me. Now, see, this is again, this is a good question. Then what will happen? Remember, in integration question, whenever this is a polynomial, this is a polynomial. Whenever polynomial divided by polynomial, what is the degree of numerator, denominator? If both have same degree. So polynomial by polynomial both have the same degree, then try to convert your numerator in terms of denominator. Means write your numerator in terms of denominator. How would I write? So first of all, x square plus 1 I have to write in terms of x square minus 1. See. What I did, I just wrote it. Now I will see, okay, I have to write this numerator in terms of denominator. Now how will I have to manipulate, no? Then what should I do such that this becomes this only? I have to add plus 2. Plus 2, no? Now see, this becomes x square plus 1. This is called writing this in terms of this. I wrote the same thing, but now I wrote in terms of denominator. Yes or no? Now you just open it. So can I say this can be written as x square minus 1 by x square minus 1 plus 2 times x square minus 1 dx. Now this get cancelled. What I have left with? 1 plus 2 divided by x square minus 1 dx. Now integration property says we can individually means this is 1 into dx plus integration of 2 by x square plus 1 dx. 1 is constant, means integration of basically dx. Integration of dx is x. Integration of dx is x plus c. Okay, so right now just I write x. This 2 is constant, this 2 will come out. And do you know the integration formula of this? No. First you write till this. Whenever you just write in numerator in terms of denominator, we have to use this formula. Very few things I will teach, which for you also easy to understand. And if question comes from that way, you can solve it. Done. There is one formula, I'll tell you that formula that you should remember. Integration of x square plus a square format. Whenever in the denominator 1 by x square plus a square. Which one? Oh, this was x square minus 1. Remember few formulas. If in the denominator 1 by x square plus a square, this formula is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Few formulas, this formula is very important. Second, if it is written determinant, integration of this x square minus a square, what will be this formula? Log of x, not this. This will be equal to 1 by 2a log x minus a by plus c. And the third, if this is the formula a square minus x square, then this will be again 1 by 2a log, what will be the formula? Log a minus x divided by a plus. This three formula, total 9. See, I'll show you which formula to remember. Property number 1, you see, 21.1. 1, 2, to the second formula you have to remember. And then 8th one, some special integrals. Can you see? There will be a plus x, sorry. This is a plus x by. So that property number 8 is very important. Property number 8, there will be 3, 3, 6, 9 formulas. And the property number 2. These two are very important properties. Now you tell me what will be the answer of this. What is this format? Everyone? What is this format? Can I say x square minus 1 is nothing but x square minus 1 square? Yes or no? So this can be written as x plus 2. Tell me x square minus a square, what is the formula? 1 by 2a. So a is basically 1 square, 1 log x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus c. 2 to get cancelled. So I will get x plus log x minus 1 just write it. This property 8, just go through that if you have time, okay? Because it's all about integration, is all about property number 8 in case study. See the question number 66. This is very frequent question. So try to understand this question. 3-4 times it has come. Very easy. So if it comes, you can answer it directly. It looks difficult, but it is very easy. Partial fraction you guys have studied? Okay, I will tell you. See 66, 71, same type. If you see 77, then you see the back, question number 20. These all are the same pattern question. See the 66. When degree same, when when both have the same degree, what to do? Write numerator in terms of denominator. But see in that question, you have to integrate this 2x minus 1 this is given, this is equal to a times log x minus 1 plus b times log x plus 2 plus c times log x minus 3 plus some constant, then find the value of a, b and c. So it looks difficult. If you notice, this is again polynomial by polynomial. Previous question also polynomial by polynomial, but previous question what was the case? Degree was same. But here see, what is the degree of numerator? Degree of denominator? More, 3. 3x or more. So when degree of denominator is more than degree of numerator, so we use the method partial fraction. And no need to, very easy to understand. What you do, the whole thing, whatever this thing is there, this is not an integration question at all. This whole thing, write it here. This is just a shortcut I am saying. And just write in terms of x minus 1 plus just the denominator I am writing like this. Now see, here with log x minus 1, what is the term? A. Just write it this A. X minus 1 came with log, na? X minus 1. Just see where is x minus 1. Write that coefficient here. What is here? X plus 2. What is the coefficient of x plus 2? B. Where is x plus 2? B. And for C, x minus 3, what is there? C. Just write. Now all you need to find the value of A, B and C. To find A, what I will do, this is understood what I wrote. The same thing I wrote. For each I gave 1 1 with plus, and I see x minus 1, what is the coefficient I just wrote. Okay. Now I have to find A value. To find A value, first of all I will see the denominator. What is in the denominator? What is in the denominator? X minus 1. Put it equal to 0, find the value of x. 1. Now this put x is equal to 1, x minus 1 is there. Now in this, just remove this x minus 1. Whichever factor is present here, just remove it. And except all, put the value of x is equal to 1. That will give you the value of A. So put x is equal to 1. So what will be A is equal to? So first I put the denominator equal to 0, I got x. In the LHS side, that x minus 1 I removed. Now I put the value of x is equal to 1. So what will the value come? 2 into 1 minus 1 divided by, I have removed this. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So 2 into 1 divided by minus 6. So that is the value of A. Yes or no? What I did? Now how to find B? See here. For B, put this equal to 0, find the value of x. Now this minus 2, you have to put it here, but x plus 2 was there, you have to remove this x plus 2. And except all places put minus 2. So what is the value of B? 2 into minus 2 minus 1 divided by minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. So what is the value going to come? Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. B will come minus 5 divided by minus 3 into minus 5. Minus 5 get cancelled. So B is, and for C, what I will do? Put x minus 3 equal to 0. What is the value of x? 3. Now from here, which factor we have to remove? This. and put x is equal to 3. So 3 into 2, I will write C. C is 3 into 2, 6, 6 minus 1, 5, 3 minus 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 5. So 1 by 2. This is the answer. A, B, C. Is that understood? Sure. So now based on this, do the next question. 66, do 71. Is that understood? Write it and then do 71. Don't do 77 because it has more concept. 71 do, then you do 20. These two questions. Third option for 71. Do for 20. First option. So easy, you know, this type of question you guys can do if it comes. Okay, I'll do one. 71. What is again given? Three x plus 1 . You have to find the value of A, B, C. What will we do? Forget everything, we will write the same thing as it is. No, and then I have write like this. Then which will take A, C with x minus 1 A is present, so here A, x minus 2 B, so here B, and here C. How to find A? All. How to find A? To find A, put this equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So A will be equal to, put x is equal to 1 here, but you have to remove this. So put 3 into 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 1 minus 2, minus 1 into minus 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, A is coming 2. What about B? For B, put this equal to 0, x is coming 2, put it there, remove x minus 2. So 3 into 2, 6, 7, 2 into 1, 1, 1, 2 minus 3, minus 1. So minus 7 it will come. And C, C is equal to, put x minus 3 is 0, x is 3. So 10, 3 minus 1 is 2 into 1, so 5. So what is the answer? 2 minus 7 and 5. Easy, na? This is easy. '77 is a bit tricky. You guys try, then think. There will be partial fraction you have not studied. If I teach, it will be hodgepodge. So we'll see at the end. Which do you want me to solve 77? I'll solve. Okay, let's see. That is, if this comes, you guys can solve. Okay. The one very important in integration is called substitution, TITU. Again, I am just telling the basic which we can solve easily, easy to understand and easy to solve. Let's say if there any function and its derivative is present. In an expression, any function and its derivative is present. So what I can do? I can assume this function is equal to t. And if I assume a function, if any integration has its function and its derivative, any function and derivative. So in this case, assume that function is equal to t. Once you assume function is equal to 2, now differentiate both sides. What is the differentiation of f? F dash x into dx. And what is the integration of t? dt. So if I am assuming f of x is t, so f dash x dx will be dt. Now put the value. So f of x is t and this whole value will be equal to what? D. And what is the integration of t? T square by 2 plus c. So most of the times we have to find which is f, which is f dash x. Okay, let's best see the question based on this. '65, see 65. Whenever in the question only square root x is given, take it common. Can I do like this? Everyone, whenever there is a square root of x, everywhere, take it common. Now assume that square root x is equal to t. After taking common, assume this is equal to t. So if x square root of x is equal to t, what will be x? T square. Yes or no? Now if square root of x is t, now differentiate both sides. What is the differentiation of square root of x? 1 by 2 root of x. I told you, no, here I have to assume f of x is t, then differentiate. So f dash x dx. So I have differentiated f dash x into dx will be equal to dt. So here I can say 1 by root x dx will be equal to 2 dt. Now try to substitute these values here. So can I do put the value? Can I say, see this dx by root x, what is this equal to? Dx by root x is equal to 2 dt. And 1 plus x, what is x is equal to? T square. So 2 will come out and this question becomes dt upon t square plus 1. 1 can be written as 1 square. And this is the formula of this dx by x square plus a square, which is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Here a is equal to 1. So 1 by a tan inverse t plus by 1 plus c. Now I solved. Now what is t you assume? Root x. Now put the value. So answer will be 2 times tan inverse root x plus c. Write it. Tomorrow I'll start binomial, okay? I'll teach binomial. I can see how much you guys are confident in this. But I'll teach few things which is important, I'll teach. So if the question comes from that pattern, you can solve it because 5 to 6 questions. Luck by chance 1 or 2 comes also, that is more than good, na? See the 94 question, 92, 2024. How much time is left? Huh? 0. See, he's seeing like this. One question, last question, 92. See any function and its derivative present. If I am assuming cos x, what is the differentiation of cos x? Minus sin x. Means cos x and sin x is present, means one is the derivative of another. Yes or no? So last question of the day, 92. So you just understand the pattern. Again denominator, always try to simplify the denominator. My focus will always be in denominator. So in denominator cos is present. Differentiation of cos is minus sign, means derivative is present. So I will assume cos x is equal to t. So what will be its derivative? Minus sin x into dx will be equal to dt. Means sin x dx will be equal to what? Minus dt. Substitute the values. So this will be minus dt divided by 3 plus 4 t square. Yes or no? Now 3 plus 4 t square, if you notice, this can be written as minus dt, 3 can be written as root 3 square plus 40 can be written as 2t square. And if you see, the same formula is nothing but the formula same like differentiation of x square plus a square. dt x square plus a square formula. So what is the formula for this? 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So here this is my x square, this is my a square. So what is the answer? Minus is there, so minus will be here obviously. 1 by a, what is a? Root 3. So 1 by a tan inverse x by a, what is x? 2t and a plus c. But I told you in the very beginning, if with x, see here, with x if anything is multiplied, then it will be divided. So now if I see this, in this question, here at the place of x what is there? T, and with t what is multiplied? So that will be divided in the final. So it will be divided in the final. So now what is the answer? Minus this 1 by 2 root 3 tan inverse. What is t you assume? T was 2 cos x by root 3 plus c. This is the answer. This is how substitution works, okay? So property number 8, formula 2, that you guys go through this. If you want 2018 to 2024 questions, just revise, see the pattern, okay, and solve it. Tomorrow we'll see from more important definite integration questions and we'll start binomial. Thank you everyone.